Need to update the email address associated with your Total Wireless account? It's crucial for receiving important notifications, billing statements, and for account recovery. As of October 2025, Total Wireless requires two-factor authentication for email changes to enhance security and prevent unauthorized access. You can easily update your email through the Total Wireless website or mobile app. First, log into your account. Then navigate to Account Settings or Profile. Select the option to update email and enter your new email address. A verification code will be sent to your current email or phone. Enter this code to confirm the change. The email update takes effect immediately, and your billing emails will be redirected to the new address. Make sure your new email is active to avoid missing payments. If you encounter issues while changing your email, such as a frozen account due to suspicious activity, contact Total Wireless customer service immediately at 1-888-442-5102. Remember that only the account holder can make these changes, and you might need to provide identification to verify this. Always use a strong, unique password for your Total Wireless account and enable biometric verification if available for added security. Be aware of phishing attempts. Total Wireless will never ask for your password or verification code via email or phone. Regularly updating your email and security settings is a key step in protecting your Total Wireless account from unauthorized access and fraud. Keep an eye out for future security enhancements, such as blockchain-based secure IDs, to further simplify and secure your account updates.